Here we undertake conservation work for entire landscape, that is Lewa, Borana, and sometimes we cross the borders to the northern Kenya with different aspects of conservation. Our aim is to ensure coexistence of human, wildlife, and the environment in a positive way. Technology to enable our work to go on data collection effectively. We use what we call Earth Ranger. It's a platform which collates all the data we collect about wildlife population, about wildlife movement, about localities, and all over northern Kenya. We are able to collect that information on Earth Ranger platform, and we are able to trace some of the core-land animals like elephants or rhinos, which have got transmitters on their horns to manage and bring down poaching to a very, very minimal level in the last 5 years. We have embraced this technology in terms of putting out even transmitters, an extent of installing transmitters to black rhino horns. They are able to be monitored in real time where they are. We have rangers who are on the ground, who are using radios. We use technology like camera traps, which are able to trace the movements of these animals, and that way we are able to minimize any effect of poaching. We are able to intervene as quickly as possible whenever we have detected a sick animal or an injured animal, an elephant that requires assistance, and our team are able to respond as quickly as possible by the use of technology. Recently, we've noticed also the Ngreve zebra, which is one of the critical areas. Kenya Wildlife Service have actually benchmarked here, and they have installed Earth Ranger. They are now in use. Kenya Police, they have benchmarked the Earth Ranger here, and actually some areas of Kenya Police are using Earth Ranger because of its effectiveness in communication